So apparently Minecraft is now free to play, and I honestly think that's great. Now more people can play and enjoy. What? I have to pay to play multiplayer now? Hopefully single player isn't locked. Okay, it doesn't. Whoa, wait, where did all my worlds go? What? Create unlimited worlds for $2.99 a month. Are you kidding me? Let's just play some regular survival on this world. I mean, surely this can't get much worse. Oh my god. This game now has ads? I honestly should have seen this coming. Okay, let's just try and beat the game. We'll probably just load up on resources and then try to find a village. There we go. Oh, yes, diamonds. I can't believe I found these already. Oh my god. $10 to mine diamonds. What the f— Oh, a village. Okay, this should be good. Oh, where the heck is everyone? There's no villagers or anything here. What? Oh my gosh, the game is probably glitching. Oh no. $15 for villagers. It should be a crime to charge that much for a feature. Okay, time to go to the nether. Oh my, there's video ads too? What on earth am I looking at? All of these ads are gonna make me go insane. Okay, it's actually been a good hour and a half and I still haven't found a fortress. This is actually getting ridiculous. And this is making me want to jump off a building. Oh, finally! The fortress. Yo, what the heck are these ads? I swear they've gotten weirder and weirder. And that should be the last blaze run. Now it's time to get some pearls. Oh my god. Another one? I can't believe Minecraft has come to this. Okay, this has to be enough gold to get some pearls. Is this for real? I give this man a stack of gold and you're giving me absolute shit. This is never gonna end. Maybe I should just kill Enderman at this point. I'm about to lose it with this game. Okay, I have to resort to killing Enderman, but you know, whatever. Here's one. Please drop a pearl, please drop it.
With my boyfriend that I definitely have.
No! Why am I actually thinking about it? Oh my god, these ads are so bad. At least have some talent when you're making these things. Oh, yes! That is the last pearl we need. Ah, here it is. Alright, I think I'm ready. Let's go. Well, that was a disaster. Maybe creative mode will be better. Okay, well, there's no ads and... I'm done. What? Create unlimited worlds for $2.99 a month. Are you kidding me?